Listen up, because this is important. Digital marketing is the present. It's happening right now, all around us. Every time you scroll through Instagram, Google something, or check your email, that's digital marketing in action. It's how businesses connect with people like you and me in the online world we live in. But what exactly is digital marketing? It's simple. It's any form of marketing that happens online. It's businesses using the internet and our phones to get our attention. They're trying to sell us stuff, sure. But they're also trying to build relationships with us. They want us to know who they are, what they stand for, and why we should care about them. Now, I know what you're thinking. Trumpus, this sounds complicated. But trust me, it's not. It's just about understanding how people behave online and meeting them where they are. It's about creating content that people actually want to see. That's the secret sauce of digital marketing. And if you're not in the game, you're missing out. Big time. Let me break it down for you. Digital marketing isn't just important, it's essential. It's the air that businesses breathe in today's world. Why? Because that's where the people are. Your customers, your potential customers, they're all online. They're scrolling through Facebook, watching YouTube videos, asking Google for answers. If you're not there, you might as well not exist. But it's not just about being where the people are. It's about the opportunities digital marketing opens up. With traditional marketing, you're shooting in the dark. With digital marketing, you can target exactly who you want to reach. You can talk directly to the 25-year-old sneaker enthusiasts in New York City, if that's your audience. That kind of precision, it's a game changer. And let's talk about cost. Traditional marketing is expensive, but digital marketing, it levels the playing field. So if you're not taking digital marketing seriously, you're not just missing out on opportunities, you're actively falling behind. All right, let's talk SEO, search engine optimization. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually pretty simple. It's all about making your website show up when people search for stuff related to your business. Think about it. When was the last time you went to the second page of Google results? Exactly. That's why SEO matters. You want to be on that first page. So how do you do it? First, you need to understand what people are searching for. What questions are they asking? What problems are they trying to solve? Once you know that, you can create content that answers those questions and solves those problems. But it's not enough to just create the content. You need to optimize it. Use the right keywords. Make sure your website loads fast. Make it mobile friendly. These are all things that search engines look at. But here's the thing about SEO. It's not a one and done deal. It's time to start climbing that search results ladder. Now let's get into content marketing. This is the good stuff. This is where you show people who you are and what you're about. Content marketing isn't about selling. It's about providing value. It's about creating stuff that people actually want to see, read, or hear. And here's the secret. When you do that, the selling takes care of itself. So what kind of content are we talking about? Anything. Blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, social media posts. The format doesn't matter as much as the substance. What matters is that it's useful or entertaining or both. You want to create content that solves problems for your audience, content that answers their questions, content that makes their lives better in some way. But here's the thing about content marketing. It's not about you. It's about your audience. Too many businesses make the mistake of just talking about themselves. And trust, that's the foundation of all business. Section 5. Social media marketing. Harnessing the power of online communities. Let's talk social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. These aren't just places where people share cat videos and selfies. They're powerful marketing tools. They're where your audience is hanging out. And if you're not there, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with them. But here's the thing about social media marketing. It's not about broadcasting. It's about engaging. It's about being part of the conversation. You can't just show up and start selling. People will tune you out faster than you can say, "Buy my stuff." You need to add value. You need to be interesting. You need to be human. So how do you do that? First, you need to understand each platform. They're all different. What works on Instagram might not work on LinkedIn. You need to tailor your content to each platform. That's the power of social media marketing. Section 6. Email marketing. Building relationships. 1. Inbox at a time. Now let's talk about email marketing. I know what you're thinking. Email? Isn't that old school? Let me tell you something. Email is far from dead. In fact, it's one of the most effective marketing tools out there. Why? Because it's personal. It's direct. It's a one-on-one conversation with your customer, right in their inbox. But here's the thing about email marketing. It's not about blasting out promotional messages to everyone on your list. That's a surefire way to get people hitting that unsubscribe button. No, effective email marketing is about providing value. It's about sending content that your subscribers actually want to read, content that helps them, entertains them, or educates them in some way. So how do you build an email list? First, you need to give people a reason to sign up. Maybe it's a free ebook. Maybe it's exclusive content. Maybe it's early access to your products. Whatever it is, it needs to be valuable enough that people are willing to give you their email address in exchange. That's the power of email marketing. Section 7. Pay-per-click PPC. Advertising. Paying for prime digital real estate. All right, let's dive into PPC advertising. Pay-per-click. This is where you pay to play. You're buying visibility. You're putting your message right in front of your target audience. And the best part, you only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad. It's like renting a billboard, but you only pay when someone takes a picture of it. Now, the most common form of PPC is search engine advertising. You know those ads you see at the top of Google search results? That's PPC in action. But it's not just search engines. You can run PPC ads on social media platforms, on other websites, even in mobile apps. The possibilities are endless. But here's the thing about PPC. It's not as simple as throwing money at it and hoping for the best. You need to be strategic. You need to choose the right keywords. You need to write compelling ad copy. You need to create landing pages that convert. Use it wisely, use it strategically, and it can be a game changer for your business. Section 8. The synergy of digital marketing strategies. Now, here's where it all comes together. We've talked about SEO, content marketing, social media, email, and PPC. But here's the secret. These aren't separate strategies. They're all part of one big picture. They all work together. That's where the real magic happens. Think about it. Your SEO efforts drive traffic to your website. Your content marketing gives those visitors a reason to stick around and come back. Your social media amplifies your content and builds community. Your email marketing nurtures those relationships. And your PPC, it fills in the gaps, reaching people who might not find you otherwise. But it's not just about using all these strategies. It's about using them in a way that they support and enhance each other. Your social media should promote your content. Your emails should drive traffic to your website. That's when digital marketing becomes a true powerhouse for your business. Section 9. Measuring success in digital marketing. Let's talk metrics. Because in digital marketing, if you're not measuring, you're not marketing. The beauty of digital is that everything can be tracked, measured, and analyzed. But here's the catch. Just because you can measure everything doesn't mean you should. You need to focus on the metrics that actually matter for your business. So what should you be looking at? It depends on your goals. If you're focused on brand awareness, you might look at metrics like reach and impressions. If you're after engagement, you'll want to track likes, comments, and shares. For lead generation, you'll be interested in form fills and email signups. And if sales are your goal, you'll be laser-focused on conversion rates and revenue. But here's the thing. Metrics aren't just about tracking performance. They're about gaining insights. They tell you what's working and what's not. They help you understand your audience better. They guide your decision-making. When you see a piece of content performing well, you know to create more like it. And action. That's what drives results. Section 10. Staying ahead. Adapting to digital marketing trends. All right, let's talk about staying ahead of the curve. Because here's the truth. Digital marketing is always changing. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. New platforms emerge. Algorithms change. Consumer behaviors shift. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. So how do you stay ahead? First, you need to be a lifelong learner. Read industry blogs, attend webinars, Follow thought leaders on social media. Stay curious. Be willing to experiment with new tactics and technologies. But here's the key. Don't chase every shiny new thing. Be strategic. Evaluate new trends through the lens of your business goals and your audience's needs. You need to understand your audience, your